Hey everyone, so today I'm going to see my trainer out of town. The other day I showed y'all how to pack for your service dog for like a day trip or something like that. Sorry I'm talking quiet because my family's asleep. But I'm going to hopefully do some vlogging and I'll bring y'all along with me. So I got ready and now I am just getting some of my dog's energy out before we leave because she's acting kind of crazy. Give. Okay, y'all, we're on the road. There's my baby sleeping back there. Oh, you can't see. There we go. Here we go. So we just finished with our training session and now we are just at the mall doing some looking around. Here's Dallas. Dallas! Say hi! Say hi! We're gonna go practice the escalator some more, Dallas. Is that your favorite thing? Okay, so now we're gonna do the escalator. Okay, so I'm going to show you how Dallas does a tuck. Watch me. Y'all. My dog likes to walk really slow and you can't tell. So now we're gonna go to the elevator. It's an all glass one. The first time Dallas was in it, she was really nervous, but she'll do a lot better now, so. Right, Dallas? Right, baby? Another good thing to train is in a mall when you're on the upper floor to walk your dog by the glass so that they can get used to it. So I'll show y'all that. Okay, so we're approaching some pills on the floor. Dallas, leave it. Good. So that, leave it, is a perfect example of why you would want your dog to leave things on the floor. They might try to eat it, but as long as they leave it when you ask them to, you're golden. Okay. Yes, the girl. Good girl. You always want to praise them. Now, this is a dangerous thing, so you always want to make sure that you're trained to do it right so you don't hurt your dog, especially if they're fluffy like Dallas. You always want to start walking, grab their handle. Let's go. And hop. Good girl. You want to give them treats. Make it a positive experience. Bathroom break. So Dallas kind of got scared of this flag, so we're going to do some confidence building. Dallas, come. Look! Look at the flag. Do you see it? You see it? Good girl. And now off we go to eat lunch. So we are here at the spaghetti factory. Here. Dallas, heel. Watch me. Good girl. Thanks. Good girl. Watch me. Sit. Okay, under. There's Dallas down there in a nice little tub. Hi, baby. What you can get? And we are looking at the menu. Now we just finished our food and we get to eat our yummy, yummy dessert. You always want to make sure that you can give your dog some water and drink. And off we go, back to our home. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so we are home now, and it stormed on our way home, but, you know, it's whatever. Dallas is nice and tired, and guess what? I bought a car. I bought a car today, so I will do a video on, like, everything I keep in my car for my dog, and just what the car of a service dog handler looks like, because it's definitely different from what a car of a normal person looks like. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!